hangin.
Hindi naman yun. Huwag kang paranoid, sis. Huwag kang paranoid.
1, 2, 3. Hey there, it's me, CJ, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title, this is going to be a challenge. So ang challenge na to ay 100 songs in 3 minutes. So, syempre, hindi lang naman ako mag-isa kasi nakita niyo na sa thumbnail. So,
please welcome.
so, please welcome Howard D. Oh! So, ayan, magkasama ko siya ngayon sa challenge na ito. At ang mechanics ay, uhulaan lang naman yung music in 3 minutes. So, kung ito siya lahat, 100 songs na to. And, tig 50 yung ginawa. 50 sa akin, 50 sa kanya. So, ayun.
Kung sino yung rami within 3 minutes.
Siya ang panalo. Alam mo, wala tayong consequence. Alam ko na, ang consequence ay kapag natalo, ililibre ng milk tea. O matagal pa yun, isang buwan tayo dito, makakapag-ipon ka pa. So, ayun, ililibre ng milk tea at Jamaican. So, ayun na, simulan na natin. In 3, 2, 1.
Kumain ka na?
So, ang unang manghuhula. So, magda-timer tayo, syempre.
Manghuhula?
Ay, magda-timer tayo. Hindi ba tayo, blurry dyan, sis?
Hindi naman blur.
Parang blur. So, ayun, magda-timer tayo. Ayan.
Wait.
And, ang una, syempre, siya. Siya ang una. So, i-shuffle ko lang.
The vocalization system.
O, paano?
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, yeah. So, ito palang challenge na to, inspired to sa, dapat may pinakita, hindi, magpa-pop up na lang dun kung saan siya inspired. Basta yung kay Janela Salvador, yung 50, 50 songs in 5 minutes. Dapat ganun, tig 50 kami kaso, sis. Yun na lang, 100 songs in 3 minutes. So, paramihan. Okay, in 3, oy, dito sa unahan, syempre nakita mo na tayo. In 3, 2, 1, go. Pakita mo lang. Wag din nga babasahin.
Cause baby, let's just turn down the light and close the door. Okay na yun.
Oh, next.
You belong.
Wag mo na basahin.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going up her back. Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Cut 3. I love the way she makes me smile. She makes me smirk.
Yes, sir.
Baby, I dancing in the dark. Little. Cause all these little things I this is my fight song. Take up the whole.
Ba't parang akin lahat yan?
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. Let it go. Let it go, let it go. If I ain't got you. Parang hindi naman yung 2 sentences na.
Okay na yun.
If I got you, baby.
If I can't, ano yun?
If I ain't got you, di mo na narinig. Dumaraan ang araw. Di mo na malayan.
1 minute and 40.
She's still the one I want to tatulog. Habang may tatsulok,
Pakita mo
sila ay nasa tuktok. I'm single ladies, I'm single. Yung suot ni CJ, visit na yun. I got her rules, I've got her.
Ba't akin lahat?
7 rings. Breakfast and Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Skirt. You can take everything I had. Just a touch of your love is enough to take control of my own body.
Intro ko yun na. Dati.
Fireworks. Cause baby, you're a fireworks.
Oy, 1 minute and 4 seconds.
One last time, I need to be a heart. I'm walking around with just one shoe. I have a heart without you. Listen, I am alone that I prospered. Kumain ka na? Kumain ka na?
4
Ba't di pa patulan ang pagsuyon? I have been a client at LAX with a dream apart again.
33 seconds.
You can change your hair and you can change your clothes. You can change your mind.
Sa'yo yun lang.
It's the climb. Yeah. California. It's a California king bed where. Cause I don't wanna lose you now.
Ay, corona ba? Wala na, 5.
Hey, Lo!
3, 2, 1.
Wala, kakantayin ko pa nga to. Criminal nga, oh. Hayop na yan.
Okay, so ang score niya ay 28. And ako na. O, shuffle mo na. Bilis! Dito ka, tangi. Dito, oh.
Okay na yan.
Hindi ka kita. Dapat kita ka. Okay, dali.
Okay,
Wait
Joyce.
lang, may nakabahan ako.
Your time.
Wala pa nga, dito ka kasi.
Tinanong mo ba ako nung nagsimula ako? Your time starts now.
Cause the touch of your love is a night like a skyscraper.
Uy, huwag lang
Like
yung
a
title.
skyscraper.
Uy, title?
O bakit? 7 rings. Ten and bubbles and trouble.
Hoy, hindi
Girls,
accepted
we like to
yun.
let us get in trouble. I got the rules, I got it
Lyrics yan?
I gotta tell you, I'm a single ladies, I'm a single ladies. But parang pares tayo habang may tayo lang at sila ang nasa tok-tok, di matatapos itong gulo. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, I wanna make it with you.
Po, ang galing nun ha.
Still my girl, still my girl. Everybody want to steal my girl. Everybody want to
Still my girl. Still. Wala may girl. Ikaw ba rin
Back to
babae no?
December all the time. 2002.
Oh, ano? Ano 2002? 2002?
Almost there, where you stand. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Salamat. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo. At kung maubos ako, they don't know about the things we do. They don't know about that I love you. When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, you're the million reasons to let you go. Akin ka na lang. Akin ka na lang.
Ba't parang iba yung tono ka?
Stone cold.
Dapat yung bibirit ka.
Stone cold. Baby, yun, ba't bibirit ka?
Baby.
Like me better. Ay, tangina. I like me better when I'm with you. Ay, ay. Starships were meant to
Dapat yung
fly. It's been to the beach. Ish, let's get away. They say what they gotta say. Have a drink, clean. We are never.
40 seconds.
Yeah. Ay. We are never getting back together. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. It's too late not to say sorry.
20 seconds.
You belong with me. You belong with me. I've tried everything to, but when I'm looking at you, hey, you got that one thing. One last cry. One last cry. One last cry. What the one last time? One last time. I need to be the one who takes you home.
Hoy,
Best part.
hoy, tama na, wala na yun.
Best part.
Wala na yun, one last time.
So, ba't parang nag-iba yung ano natin? Kasi inano mo. So, ang winner po natin ay si Howard dahil madaya po siya kasi po, inaano niyo po ako, ganon.
Kasi
Kumain
mali.
ka na.
Kasi mali.
Bakit? Hayaan mo nga ako kung mali ako.
Still my girl.
Nakakainis. Still my girl.
Ay, yung one last cry pa. Nakakainis yun ah.
Asa na yung still my girl, te? Kaya nga nga, sabi ko, still my girl. Di ba gumanda na ako? Ano na? Ano yung still my girl? Still. See? So, ayun lang po ang video natin. At ang nanalo ay si Howard at talo ako. So, ililibre ko siya ng milk tea.
So I got 20
Milk
points.
tea and Jamaican. So,
26.
ayun lang. So, that's it for our today's video. I hope you enjoy it, you like it, and ano ba? Magsasuggest. Please drop your suggestions down the description box sa comment section below. So,
Bitch! You're already here. We might as well you subscribe and click the notification bell so and suggest the videos.
kumain ka na.
Kumain ka na!
So, ayun lang guys. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye! O, takpan mo na.
Wait! Ayop yan! Oh my God!